Hi, Andrew here with the plan of the week. This is the first full week of 2026, and we're ready to jump in feet first after getting some rest, eating delicious food, and spending time with friends and family. We're excited about helping you make 2026 your best year ever. Hopefully, you've taken some time to refine your growth strategy and update your business plans. If not, this week is the perfect time to do it. Our expert of the week is Martha Craigie, founder of Martha Craigie Company. Click the link below to check out her top 3 tips for small business success. This week's featured course is Choosing the Right Entity. This course will help you understand the different business structures available and guide you through selecting the best one for your goals and setting it up properly. Curtis Giddings, owner of Paws and Tails Doggy Playgroup, is our featured small business member of the week. Explore the links below to discover more about him and his business. If you want to scale your business, you'll need to check out our live stream tomorrow evening. I'll be talking with Gene Bohensky about going from startup to scaling in 2 years. Last week, I spoke with Jimmy Newson about building your evergreen business blueprint. Check out the video highlights below. And also, you don't want to miss our new podcast on Thursday morning with Stacy Hyland on finding hidden profits in your business. Additional events this week. Today is the last day to sign up for Empower the Village's Village Ventures Pitch Competition. Also, we're having a 25% off sale on Small Business Pro University merch today and tomorrow. Get more details on these events below in the POW, and check out our website events calendar page for more details about upcoming events. Scroll down through the POW for business tips, opportunities, and more event details.